You move your hand closer and further away to this thing, Tara. You know, it's too quiet right there. It gets louder back here.
Oh, I see.
And that's the pitch. And that's like the softness. You get closer, it gets soft.
Oh, I see.
Sounds like a cat bite.
I thought it sounds more like a little dog. It sounds like a dog.
It's magic, huh?
Not really.
Boys, play a song.
Oh, I got them recording something. I got them.